Hi, this is Darren with Komprise, and I'm excited today to be here with Krishna, our co-founder and COO. Krishna, we're announcing Komprise Analysis. Why don't you tell us about what it is and why it's so important?
Yeah, Darren, as you know, most companies today are trying to do more with less. They are trying to figure out, how can they cut costs? How can they transform to the cloud? What data do they have? How fast is it growing? How to budget for growth? And for all of this, you want to start with analysis and the knowledge of your data and understanding how users are using it and where it's being used. And Komprise Analysis provides all of this capability. And now what we've done is created a new product offering where if a customer isn't ready yet to move data and they simply want to do all this analysis first, they can take advantage of Komprise Analysis and do that.
So let me ask you, I mean, it's interesting. We talk about silos of data, and a lot of organizations are struggling to see across everything. What are some of the common surprises that you hear from customers, from users for the first time when they turn on Komprise and shine a light on this data?
Yeah, we know this that companies have been growing over time. A lot of them have data scattered in many places across different file storage environments, different sites. Many of them have pockets of data in the cloud. Even though intuitively most IT people know that a lot of the data is cold, uh, it's always amazing how when we actually run the analysis at a customer's environment and they can see for themselves that 80% of their data across all their environments is actually cold, and they can see how users are actually using data, how it's growing. That is really eye-opening because it's not some abstract cost savings. We're not saying in a typical scenario, we save millions of dollars. We actually show it with their own data, with their own costs, with their own growth rates, what savings they can get. And that's customers find very powerful.
Interesting. So we are a subscription SaaS solution. What else is new with Komprise Analysis?
Yeah, so customers can get this SaaS subscription, as you said, Darren. But along with that, we've added a completely new capability called, pre-built reports. So we have a new reporting tab where all the common things people want to do, like, show back, how can you show your departments how their data is growing and what it's costing and how much they can save? Things like, giving the cost savings in a way that users can mail to their management and get management buy-in, understanding by data store, which data stores are going to run out of capacity the fastest, or which ones have the most cold data. All these kinds of analysis you can not only do in the product now, but you can also get complete pre-built, nicely generated reports with our new reporting capability. And this reporting is included in Komprise Analysis, and it's also included in all our other editions. So if you buy the data migration edition, Elastic Data Migration, it's included there. It's also included in the full Komprise subscription.
Great. All right. Anything else that we need to know about Komprise Analysis?
For any company that is wondering, how to get started or is wondering, where to begin or what the tangible cost benefit is going to look like for them, you don't have to struggle with, making these tough decisions in the dark. We built Komprise Analysis based on direct feedback from many of our prospects that having an analysis subscription upfront would have really helped them. So we hope you can take advantage of this and tell us what you think after you try it out. We always are looking for your feedback.
All right. Well, thanks for talking to me today. You can visit komprise.com/analysis for more information and to get started. Thank you.
Thanks, Darren.